Hi there, Sam here from Movement. In this video, I wanted to walk through the new feature for custom code in Global CSS. We've released this so that you can have more flexibility with how you want to customize the look of your app. So now in app settings, you'll see a new dropdown if you're on business for custom code. In here, we have Global CSS, end of head tag, and end of body tag. Firstly, Global CSS is CSS that's applied globally to your app. Now, you can use this to do things like add custom fonts or override particular styling within the app if you are a little bit technical and know how to use CSS. But if you do know how to use it, you will understand that this allows for a lot of customization options. So in this example, I'm just going to show how you can use a custom font. So I have a snippet here that I'm just going to paste in here that basically imports a custom font. I'm just using Google Fonts here as an example, but you could load this from your own hosted web font. And then I apply the custom font to the body tag and to anything within a text block. And as you can see in the preview, now all of my text blocks are using my custom font. And when I update this, it can revert back. So the next thing I want to show is the global code. Now, this gets added as HTML, which means that you can add a lot of different bits of code in here. For example, JavaScript, CSS, or even meta tags. This is most commonly used for things like analytics. So if you have been asked by some analytics, Meta, Facebook, Google, or anything else to add a code snippet to your website or to your app, you can do that now with this global head and body tag code. So in Google Analytics here, when you go to install your tag, it'll tell you that you need to add this to every page of your website immediately after the head element. So that means we need to add to the body. So I can copy this now, go back to my movement app, and it's set after the head tag. So I want to go into the body tag and then paste this in here. Now, when I save this, my live app will inject this code into the app and my Google Analytics will start running. Now, you may be asking, what is the difference between the global code and the code block? They function quite similarly. One being that the global code is applied globally to your app, so onto every page, whereas the code block is just applied to the page that the block is on. So when you're adding custom code via the code block, typically you'll want to use it for things like little widgets on a particular page, or if you want to customize something just on one page. Whereas if you want to add things globally, like analytics or global CSS to override styling across everything, that is when you're going to opt for the custom global code in your app settings. So I know this one's a little bit technical, but if you have a bit of experience with HTML and CSS, I think you'll understand how much customization this really does give you in your app. So thanks for listening. See you on the next one.